lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be all about motivational cleaning. I am cleaning upstairs in the house today. I feel like every video that I've done has been cleaning downstairs, so I don't think you've actually seen a lot of upstairs apart from when I actually film hauls and things like that. I'm going to be going around upstairs today. I've got 2 bedrooms to clean and then I've got a bathroom. And I'm going to be doing the stairs and the landing also. I just want to start this video by showing you the cleaning products that I'm using and also the fact that I like to do a list. I absolutely love doing lists. It just makes me feel more motivated if I write it down and then tick it off. And I do little goals at a time. I don't do a massive long list because I just feel like that's just not possible really. You just feel so deflated if you haven't ticked off everything that you've done on a massive list. If you do a small list and just little goals at a time, then you know you're going to be able to tick them off and you feel really good about achieving what you've done in the day. It's just so much better for me that rather than sitting on the couch watching Netflix and just eating away my whole body weight basically. So I'm going to start off by showing you all the products that I'm using, all the products I'm absolutely loving recently, and then I'm going to be showing you my list as well. If you are interested in anything that's in my house, then go follow me on my Instagram, which is at sogelandbeauty7, and I will normally take pictures of stuff in my house and then link where they're from at the bottom of there. So go follow me on there. At any point in this video you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, I would love you to come join my little family here and let's get into this video. So this is what I carry all my products around. It's so much easier for me. Obviously I'm on one crutch when I do my cleaning. I use this. It's so easy. It's got a little handle here and it's just a grey and white caddy and it's quite a big one. So if I stand back, it's actually quite a big one. So it can fit a lot of stuff in and it's so much easier for me rather than carrying around all the little bits separately or trying to carry everything at once. It's just so much easier for me. So first of all, in this little glass bottle here, I've got this glass bottle from Poundland. So I've just got some Sephora in here. I've got Midnight Bloom, which is my favourite ever. You will know that if you've been following me for a while. I absolutely love that fragrance. And here for my windows and all my mirrored furniture, which I have quite a lot in my bedroom. And obviously I want to do the windows with this today. I use this for chrome, I use it for mirrors, I use it for windows. It's just amazing. And as you can see, I've nearly run out, so you can see how much I use it. Next up, I've just got a Minky. I'm pretty sure this one is for the kitchen, but I use it all the way around the house anyway. But I really like using these. They're just really good. Got a little sponge here from when I do my tiles in my bathroom, and this is a non-scratch one, so it's really good. It doesn't scratch anything. If you've been following me for a while, you know I absolutely love the pink stuff, and this Miracle Cream Cleaner is amazing. I use this on my cooker top. It is just so good, but I also use it for my sinks, bath and places like that as well, so I'm going to be using that today. Then I've got a microfiber cloth in here, and let me turn it around. Then I've got this little duster. I picked this up from the pound shop, but it's actually broken. It was extendable, but it's broken, but I still use it. It's still good. Then I have these antibacterial wipes. These are in the fragrance apple and apricot. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. They smell amazing. Using these to wipe off the dust off surfaces. And just before I spray it all down so I don't get my cloth really dirty, and these are just easy to throw away. Next up, again, I've got a microfiber cloth, but this is just for cleaning mirrors and windows. Then I've got this multi-purpose polish. I actually can't remember where I got this from. I think it was Lidl's and it was like 49p. But I love this. I don't think they have it anymore, but I really love it. And as you can see, it's for wood, glass, metal and plastic. I just use this to clean all the surfaces, and it just gets everything really clean. And sometimes I use this on glass and it's so good. Breeze Air Mist is the one that's Sugar Plum Delight. I'm pretty sure I got this from B&M or Home Bargains. I can't remember which one it was, but yeah, I've had it a while. It is sort of a Christmassy scent because it's got a massive snowflake on the front, but I really like it, and I've still got it in the cupboard, so I've got to use it up. Then last but not least, I have this Fabulosa all-in-one. This is just a disinfectant spray, and this one is intense. It's so good. And obviously with cold and flu viruses and, dare I say it, coronavirus, Yeah, it's just really good to just disinfect the whole house. So I'm going to be using that today as well. Actually forgotten one thing, which is my carpet spray. So I'm just going to go and get that and I'll show you that. I'm back. I've got my carpet spray. So I've got this one, which is a Fabulosa. It's in the Winter Garden scent. It's really, really nice. However, it's so strong. It's literally, when I spray this, I can't breathe. It's so strong, so you have to be really careful with this one. But I do like it. I love the scent of it. But I think I might go back to 1001 because I just feel like with that one, it's not too harsh on your chest. So yeah, I might try going back to that one again. But for now, I'm using this. And then the last thing that I like to use is tumble dryer sheets. I know that you're going to think this is really weird. To put these in my pillowcases, I just think it makes the room smell really, really nice. And obviously when you go to bed at night, you can actually smell this. It's so nice. So yeah, this is all the products that I'm going to be using today. So I'm just going to show you my list, go over my list, and then we can get cleaning. So this is the book that I put all my lists in. I absolutely love this book. It's so good. This is Mrs. Hinch Little Book of Lists, and like I said, I absolutely love it. This is how I start my list off. So I do the date, and then I do what day it is, and then what I'm doing for that day. So obviously today is Wednesday and it is my cleaning day. I always do cleaning on a Wednesday. I don't know why, it's just that midweek thing. I just love doing a big household clean. So first thing I always do on my list is feed my pets. That's the first thing I do every single day. Even before I've fed myself, I will feed the pets. And then I had to empty the litter tray. I've already done all that because I'm sure you don't want to see that on my channel. So next up, I've got my bedroom. So I just need to clean, dust, hoover, mop. I've got some clothes to put away, make the bed. Obviously, I make my bed every single morning. For the sake of this video, I haven't made my bed this morning. And then I like to give it a good old spray. Next up, I've got the spare room, which is the room that my grandchildren sleep in. So again, make the bed, dust, hoover, mop, spray. So there's not really that much to do in there. Then next up, I'm going to be doing the bathrooms. And then last but not least on my list, I'm going to be cleaning the toilet, the sink, the bath, shower. Then I need to hoover, mop, bleach the toilet, and then spray. And then I'm just going to be going over the stairs. I haven't put that on my list actually, but then I'm going to be finishing off by doing the stairs and the landing upstairs. That is all the products that I use. That is the list that I make. Like I said, if there's anything in my house that you would like to see and see how much it costs, then go over to my Instagram because I'll probably have loads of pictures on there, or I'll add them if you guys have any comments or questions about anything in the house. I'll add them to that. I'll also try to link in the description bar as well as many items as I can. But a lot of this stuff I've had for quite a while, so I will try and link as much as I can in there. So go ahead, have a look on there as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this cleaning video. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse, so I really hope you enjoy it. So let's get cleaning. So I know I said I was going to start this video off, but I just got to show you Tilly right now because I bought her a bed just before Christmas as a little Christmas present for her. And it cost me £20 and she's never used it. But today she's in it and I literally can't believe it. She's in the bed. So I just got to show you her. She looks so cute. So this is the bed that I bought her. Look, I can't believe she's in her bed. I was so happy. I don't know why, guys, but she has not liked this bed at all. And today, for some reason, she's just jumped in it. I think because I've got the heating on and the radiator is right behind her and it's really cold today, really cold. But yeah, it's my little Tilly and I'm so happy she's finally in her bed. It's such a nice bed. £20 it cost. It comes with a little blanket as well. So yeah, she's in her bed. Hello, baby. Hello. Hey, my baby. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. I love you, Tilly. Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. Ooh, ooh. You, ooh, ooh. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems
in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you go. About all of the problems in us. No, it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you go. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you go.
Lost my way in the city, and I feel alone when you're with me. I look for places where I can't hide. I guess I've been searching for places, some familiar faces. I think I just need a little light. I've been trying to fake it, I have said I can take it, but I think you should let me go. Cause I need some time. Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. I think I just wanna feel like home, but these days I just feel long gone, and I don't know how to make it right. I've been trying to fake it, I have said I can take it, but I think you should let me go. Cause I need some time. Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me. Yeah, I need some time. Sometime 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 I need some time. Cause I need some time. Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the